The nephron, the functional unit of the kidney, filters blood through a series of specialized structures. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how this process works. First, filtration at the glomerulus. In the renal corpuscle, which consists of Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus, blood from the renal artery enters the nephron through the afferent arteriole into the glomerulus, a network of capillaries. Blood pressure forces water, ions like sodium and potassium, glucose, and small molecules such as urea and creatinine into Bowman's capsule. This fluid is now called glomerular filtrate and contains waste products but no large proteins or blood cells, which remain in the blood. Next, reabsorption in the proximal convoluted tubule, or PCT. This is the first part of the nephron tubule. Here, useful substances like glucose, amino acids, and electrolytes are reabsorbed into the surrounding capillaries. Around 65 to 70% of water is also reabsorbed here to prevent dehydration. Finally, the formation of concentrated urine in the loop of Henle. In the descending limb of the loop of Henle, water is reabsorbed from the filtrate. Meanwhile, the ascending limb actively pumps sodium and chloride ions into the medulla, helping to maintain a concentration gradient. Now, let's move on to the distal part of the nephron. Here, in the distal convoluted tubule, more selective reabsorption of ions occurs. The body adjusts potassium, calcium, and sodium levels based on hormonal signals, such as aldosterone. It's crucial for maintaining the body's internal balance. Next, we arrive at the collecting duct, which gathers filtrate from several nephrons. Depending on the body's hydration state, the hormone antidiuretic hormone, or ADH, can increase water reabsorption here. This process helps to concentrate the urine, ensuring the body retains the necessary amount of water. Finally, the remaining filtrate, now urine, contains water, urea salts, and other wastes. It flows into the renal pelvis, then through the ureter to the bladder, where it is stored until excretion. This marks the end of the journey for the filtrate. In summary, the nephron filters blood by separating waste products from useful substances, reabsorbing essential molecules and water, and concentrating waste into urine. This filtration process helps regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and fluid levels in the body. And there you have it, the essential role of the nephron in maintaining our body's homeostasis.